Hey guys! So today I'm going to show you how to put earrings in with one hand. So first I want to start off by saying that this was not easy for me. The first time I tried it, I struggled a lot and I got frustrated all the time because I just could not figure it out. So my tip would be just don't get frustrated. Just practice every day trying to figure out how it feels, and then once you finally get it, you'll know the feeling and you'll be able to do it every single time. So let's get started.
Okay, so this was very difficult to film because my fingers blocked the whole thing, so hopefully I can explain it well enough that you get the idea. First, I just put the earring in by gently poking around with the earring post until I find the piercing hole, and then it just slides in. The hard part is getting the back on. I would recommend finding earring backs that have the plastic guard on them. You can find them at any store that sells jewelry. This just makes it easier because it gives you something a little larger to hold on to. So, what I do is hold the guard with my thumb and index finger. Then, while still holding the back, I put my thumb and index finger behind my earlobe and my middle finger in front of my earlobe and gently squeeze to steady my ear and earring as I feel around for the earring post to match up with the earring back hole. Once I feel the hole, I push the front of my earring with my ring finger. The key is just to be gentle and patient.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, just leave those in the comments below. Or if you have a suggestion for a different video you want me to do, just leave those in the comments as well. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks!